नमस्ते मेरे प्यारे बच्चों. हाउ आर यू ऑल? होप you all are well. Again, all of you are welcome to Hindi online class. Last week we finished the one lesson, 10th lesson, Apurva Anuphav, right? Have you understand that lesson? I hope you all understood. Okay. I sent the notes also. Have you finished that one? Please finish the notes and take a photo and send it to me, my dear kids. Still I didn't receive any notes. Okay, then today I'm going to revise the notes. Okay, ma? Okay. All of you take your notebooks and learn with me, okay? While I am reading, you should say with me. Part 10, Apurva Anuphav. First Roman letter Arth. 1. Shivir, camp. Shivir, camp. Bhed, secret. Bhed, secret. Nyota, invitation. Nyota, invitation. Aramdeh, comfortable. Aramdeh, comfortable. Seethi, ladder. Seethi, ladder. Chaukidar, watchman. Chaukidar, watchman. Tipoi seethi. Tipoi seethi, tripod ladder. Jokhim udana, taking risk. Jokhim udana, taking risk. Once again, Shivir, camp. Shivir, camp. Bhed, secret. Nyota, invitation. Aramdeh, comfortable. Seethi, ladder. Chaukidar, watchman. Tipoi seethi, tripod ladder. Jokhim udana, taking risk. While I am reading, you should read with me, okay, my dear kids? Okay. Then the second Roman letter, Angrezi se Hindi Anuvad. English to Hindi translation. Sorry. Hindi word, maaf kijiye. Sorry, maaf kijiye. May I get in? क्या मैं अंदर आ जाऊँ और अंदर आऊँ. Both you can use. See these meanings and this everything. You should learn like if Shivir camp means what the Hindi word for camp. Shivir. Like that you should learn. Okay. Both you should learn. Shivir, camp. Camp Hindi, Shivir. Ladder, Hindi, CD. CD English, ladder. Like that. Like that here also. Sorry, maaf kijiye. For maaf kijiye, what is the meaning? Sorry. क्या मैं अंदर आऊँ? May I get in? ओके, ठीक है. ओके, ठीक है. नाउ ट्राई टू क्लाइंब अप. अब ऊपर चढ़ने की कोशिश करो. नाउ ट्राई टू क्लाइंब अप. अब ऊपर चढ़ने की कोशिश करो. दिस आई हैव टेकन फ्रॉम द लेसन. ओके, सो this will be useful for your life. So you should learn this one and you should use this one in your life. Then only it will be useful. Okay, while you are getting time a chance to speak these words, you can speak in Hindi. Okay, sorry then. Sorry, माफ़ कीजिए. May I get in? क्या मैं अंदर आ जाऊँ? Okay, ठीक है. Now try to climb up. अब ऊपर चढ़ने की कोशिश करो. Then wait. ठहरो. Wait. ठहरो. You lie down. तुम लेट जाओ. You lie down. तुम लेट जाओ. Wait. ठहरो. You lie down. तुम लेट जाओ. Look. देखो. Look. देखो. Don't afraid now. अब डरना मत. और don't fear now. Don't afraid now. अब डरना मत. Wait. ठहरो. You lie down. तुम लेट जाओ. Look. देखो. Don't afraid now. अब डरना मत. Then question answer. तोतोजान कौन थी? उसकी हार्दिक इच्छा क्या थी? Who is Totojan and what is his heartful wish? What is her heartful wish? What is that? तोतोजान कौन थी? उसकी हार्दिक इच्छा क्या थी? हार्दिक means heartful. Like hearty. How hearty welcome we will say. So that heartful wish. What is that? What was that? तोतोजान एक जापानी लड़की थी. He was a Japan girl. इसकी हार्दिक इच्छा थी कि his हार्टी विशेस वॉइस was what? उसका अपंग मित्र यासुकी चान उसके पेट पर जाकर उसकी चीज़ों एवं दुनिया को देखे. What is his hearty wish? He wants his best friend Yasuki Chan to climb her tree, and she wants to watch all the things surrounding, all the surrounding things. She wants to make her to see the surrounding things. That is her wish. तोतो जान एक जापानी लड़की थी. इसकी हार्दिक इच्छा थी कि उसका अपंग मित्र यासुगी चान उसके पेड़ पर जाकर उसकी चीज़ों एवं दुनिया को देखे. He want to show the world by climbing up of the tree. She want to show that Yasugi-jan has to see the world by sitting on her tree. That is her hearty wish. Once again I am reading. Read with me, my dear kids. तोतो जान कौन थी? उसकी हार्दिक इच्छा क्या थी? तोतो जान एक जापानी लड़की थी. इसकी हार्दिक इच्छा थी कि उसका अपंग मित्र यासुकी चान उसके पेड़ पर जाकर उसकी चीज़ों एवं दुनिया को देखे. अंडरस्टूड? देन सेकेंड क्वेश्चन. यासुकी जान को क्या रोग था? What was the disease of that यासुकी चान? What was it? यासुकी जान को पोलियो का रोग था. पोलियो. She was having पोलियो. यासुकी जान को पोलियो का रोग था. यासुकी जान को क्या रोग था? यासुकी जान को पोलियो का रोग था. थर्ड वन. तोतो जान ने अपने पेड़ पर चढ़ने का न्योता किसे दिया था? तोतो जान हैज़ गिवन इन्विटेशन फॉर whom to climb her tree. तोतो जान ने अपने पेड़ पर चढ़ने का न्योता किसे दिया था? For whom he has given invitation to climb her tree. For whom? तोतो जान ने अपने पेड़ पर चढ़ने का न्योता यासुगी चान को दिया था. तोतो जान ने अपने पेड़ पर चढ़ने का न्योता यासुगी चान को दिया था. यासुगी जान only she has given. Understood, my dear kids? तोतो जान ने अपने पेड़ पर चढ़ने का न्योता किसे दिया था? तोतो जान ने अपने पेड़ पर चढ़ने का न्योता यासुगी जान को दिया था. Understood? Okay. Then we will go to the next lesson. Okay. What is this? Who is he? He is one famous poet. His name is Rahim Das. His full name is Abdur Rahim Khan Khana, and he was called as Rahim Das. Okay. So he born on 17 सितंबर 1556 ईस्वी में पाकिस्तान में इसका जन्म हुआ. ही इज़ ए मुस्लिम धर्म के अनुयायी थे. कई रचनाएं प्रसिद्ध हैं जिन्हें उन्होंने दोहे के रूप में लिखा है. He has written so many scripts and all. In that he has written everything in the type of doha. Doha means what? Means doha we will tell. अकबर के दोहा एक विशेष प्रकार के छंद है. इट इज़ ओन प्रकार जैसे हम गाना गाते हैं तो विशेष पैटर्न से गाते हैं. वी विल सिंग द सॉन्ग इन डिफरेंट पैटर्न्स, राइट. कहाँ हमें गाना है, कहाँ हमें रुकना है, कहाँ फिर से शुरू करना है. काव्य में कविता को लिखने के लिए अलग अलग छंद होते हैं. सी वेयर वी हैव टू स्टॉप, वेयर वी वांट टू चेंज, वेयर वी वांट टू sing again. That everything we know, that according to that pattern only we have to sing, right? Like that in kavya and all, in that poem and all, they are using different types of chand. So for that pattern only how they have to write the poem. So that is only doha. So एक one type of chand, एक तरह के चंद ही दोहा है. तो इसी तरह कविता में लिखने का तरीका ही चंद. So like that so many doha this Rahim has written. So from that what he is doing means in two he will do by using what we will tell, he has written so many doha and all. From that he will doha will be in two. It will in English we will say couplets. Okay, doha means couplets. COUPLETS. So that couplets माने दो पंक्ति में ही होगा, only 2 lines it will be. From that he will give so many examples. Rahim will give so many examples for that, and what he will do means, by with that 2 lines he will give more advice for us. Okay, for with that 2 ओनली साधारण उदाहरण की सहायता से बड़ी बड़ी बातें हमें समझ में आते हैं. ही विल गिव सिंपल एग्जाम्पल्स एंड ही विल मेक अस टू लर्न सो मेनी थिंग्स बाय यूजिंग दैट 2 lines. So that only we are going to learn today. Okay, so what is that means? See, if we are in a difficult we are having more wealth, we are having more money, isn't it? That time what will happen? So many friends we are having. You people will say so many things you will bring, and you are having so many pens or so many pencil and so many things. Then you will have so many friends. But if you don't have anything, you don't have any friends. That is a friendship? That is a friendship? Real friendship? No. जब हमारे पास धन होता है, पैसा होता है, ऐश्वर्य होता है, सारे के सारे हमारे दोस्त बनना जाते हैं. Isn't it? When we are having wealth, when we are having money, when we are having everything, everyone will come as our friends. किसी भी तरीके से वह हमारे बनना चाहते. If you are not allowing them to become our friend, even they are trying to become our friend, they are not our real friends. वे हमारे सच्चे दोस्त नहीं हैं. सच्चे दोस्त वही हैं जो आपत्ति के समय हमारे साथ होते हैं. Who is the real friend? Those who are there in our difficult situation, isn't it? हमारे सहायता करते हैं, वह ही हमारे सच्चे दोस्त हैं. Those who are there when we are in the difficulty, that is only our friend. Like if we are rubbing the we can see in the that jewelry shop and all, they are having on pattar means on stone they are having. So in that they will rub that gold and they'll see whether that gold is asli या नकली, it is real या duplicate. So जैसे कि विपत्ति के समय जो लोग हमारे मदद करते हैं वो ही हमारे सच्चे दोस्त हैं. So like that we can't those who are we have to see like whether they are asli or nakli, whether they are real or real. Like that we should check, because when we are in the difficult situation, if those friends we are coming to us, they are only the best friends, they are only the real friends. Understood? So that is only it is giving in this first 2 lines. I am going to read, listen carefully, not like normal Hindi and all this one. So you should listen carefully and write the meanings whatever I am showing here. Okay, listen carefully. First one. First you have to write today's date on the up of it, 29/1/2021 Shukravar. Write on the up of it and see here. Finished writing the date? Okay. कही रहीम संबती सगे, बनत बहुत बहुरीत, विबत्ती कसौटी जे कसे, तेई सांझे मीत. Once again, read with me. कही रहीम संबती सगे, बनत बहुत बहुरीत, विबत्ती कसौटी जे कसे, तेई सांझे मीत. That is the difficult meanings and all you can see here. That these meanings you should write on the up of it. Kahi, what is the meaning of kahi? To say. Kahi, to say. Who is saying? Rahim. Rahim is saying. What he is saying? Sambati sage. Sambati, wealth. Sambati, wealth. Sage. Sage means kinsfolk. Those who are our friends. Those who are our relatives. Banat. Banavat. Banat means Banavat. Okay, this is not Banavat, Banat only. Okay, wrongly written. Banat. This is Banat. Okay. That Banat, near to that Banat, you should write to make. Okay. Banat, not this one. Up of Banat, you should write to make. Then Banat, Hindi word only Banavat. Okay. Both are same only. Banat, Hindi word Banavat. So, banat, to make. Bahut, zyada, much. Bahut means zyada, much. Bahu. Bahu means people. Bahu, people. Then read, customs. Each and every word's meaning I am giving, you write on the up of it. Then only it will be useful for you to learn. Then Vibhatti Kasauti, identification test. J Kase means to assess. To assess. Teyi, real. Not real, that person. Teyi, that person. Sanje, only real. Sanje, real. Meet, friend. After writing this one, if you are joining and see means you can see what it is. जब मनुष्य के पास अधिक धन संपत्ति होती है तो बहुत सारे लोग उसे मित्रता कर लेते हैं. If we are having so many संपत्ति wealth we are having means everyone will come and become our friends. लेकिन असली मित्र वही होता है जो सुख में ही नहीं बल्कि दुख में भी हमारा साथ दे. What those who are there in our sukha, good, when we are in the happy condition and also in the sad condition, both those who are there with us in both the conditions, mostly in the sad condition, they are only the real friends. So Rahim Dasi has told that true friend will money will bring friends and company, but the person who help you in your difficult time or saves you from trouble is your true friend. What is the one wordings we will say? What is that? A friend in need is a friend indeed. One proverb is there, right? So that is only here meaning. A friend in need is a friend indeed. Those friend is there in our need is only the real friend. Okay, that is the meaning of that. Okay, then the second one. जाल परे जल जात बही तजी मीनन को मोह रहीमन मछली नीर को तौ न झांडती चोह. Once again, जाल परे जल जात बही तजी मीनन को मोह रहीमन मछली नीर को तौ न झांडती चोह. Means if for fishing and all we will use now one trap, the stick will be there in that at the end of end of that we will use one thread, and we want to catch a fish means we will keep some food or something on the thread at the end of that thread, right? We will keep that on the water and the fish will come and when it is catching that food we will drag that trap, right? So like that, if when the by seeing the trap, fish is not thinking that is the trap for them, right? It is seeing the fish and it is coming. By seeing that attractive thing, the fish is coming and taking. While the fish is coming outside, what will happen? From the water, when the fish is coming outside, the fish will die. Isn't it? That is only if we are seeing any attractive thing and we will go behind them, means we are not thinking about their consequences, what is going to happen. We should think about that. We should not go behind the attractive things. What we have, the fish will live safely in the water, right? If it is coming outside, it will die. So they should not go by seeing that trap and all. That is only here. So like that we should not go. Over attachment to anything can be threatening. If we are seeing any attachment, if we are seeing any attractive things, we are going by seeing that and we are trapping and we will destroy. That is only here. So here you see the meaning. Jal means net. Jal, net. Pare means to put in water. Put in jal, net we are keeping inside the jal means trap or net. Jaat bahi, nikal jana, to escape. Jaat bahi, escapes. Taji, give up. Meenan, you have to write these meanings on the up of the textbook, okay, the word. If I am my phone touch problem, so that only I have given written this in the separate one. So you should write on the up of that words. Meenan. What is the meenan's meaning? Fish. Moh. Moh. Tyag. Moh not. Moh attachment. Moh means attachment. Then machri. Machri means fish only. Then near water. Chanti to leave. Chodna. Choh means affinity. Mamada. Wish. Love. We will say affinity. Attraction. We will say attraction. Choh. So what is the meaning is that means मछली के जल के प्रति घनिष्ठ प्रेम को बताया है. Here it is showing the deep love of fish towards the water. Like मछली पकड़ने के लिए जब जाल पानी में डाला जाता है तो जाल पानी से बाहर खींचते ही जल उसी समय जाल से निकल जाता है. When we are taking the trap from the see, when we are keeping the net inside the water will come inside the net. But when we are taking the net outside, whether the water will come also, whether the water also will come outside? No. Water will go back, right? It will be there in the water, pond only. But when we are taking up, the fish will come outside. Isn't it? By seeing the trap, the fish will come outside. So what will happen? If the fish is coming outside of the water means it will die. So उसी समय जाल से निकल, परंतु मछली जल को छोड़ नहीं पाती, वह पानी से अलग होते ही मर जाती है. सो इस दोहे से हमें यहाँ सीख मिलती है कि हमें व्यर्थ के मोह माया में नहीं पड़ना चाहिए. वी शुड नॉट गो टुवर्ड्स द अट्रैक्टिव थिंग्स, द डुप्लीकेट थिंग्स वी शुड नॉट गो. इससे हमारी नुकसान ही होता है. इट विल थ्रेटन अस ओनली, इट विल डिस्ट्रॉय अस. सो वी शुड नॉट गो बिहाइंड द. Okay, but like the fish, if it is coming by seeing the net or by seeing the trap when it is coming outside, what it is happening? It will also go. It will also destroy. It will die if the fish is coming outside, right? So like that, if we are going towards any attractive things, we will also destroy. So by seeing, if I'll say if any person is coming, while we are coming, we are walking on a way, and if any person is coming and giving one chocolate, can we buy? We should not get it. Okay, we should. If a strange person is giving anything to us, we should not get it from anyone, because it will be a trap for us. Nowadays, so many bad things, not only for girls, for boys also, so many bad things are happening. So we should take care of ourselves. Isn't it? If like strange person, if any guest also, if they are coming inside our house and giving something to us, we should get permission from our parents and only get it. Okay, if they are allowing only, we should get it. Like that society is nowadays, it's going. No safety at all. We should take care of ourselves. Okay, my dear kids, you also should take care of yourself. Okay, wherever you are going, you be bold. Okay, don't want. If anyone is coming and giving means don't want. Like that you tell and you go back. Don't get it, okay. Like that you should take care of yourself, my dear kids. Now you are suffering from so many obstacles, like we are sitting in home and we can't go outside. Isn't it? While going outside, please keep mask. And nowadays no one is keeping mask or nothing. Use sanitizer, my dear kids. Please aware of it. So many death is coming. So many are there, but we don't have any aware of that. Please aware of that and do take care of yourself and be safe in home. Okay, my dear kids. That's all for today. Read the lesson. And for that previous notes also you finish and send the snapshot to me. And also read this one and read it, record it and understand the videos. Okay, that's all for today. धन्यवाद मेरे प्यारे बच्चों.